Cell, Basic Unit of Life. Chapter 2. We will be learning about cell theory and the people who were behind this theory. Cell theory. We saw the contributions of different scientists towards the discovery of the cell and its related aspects. Based upon these discoveries, scientists Rudolf Virchow, Theodor Schwann, and Matthias Schleiden said that the cells are the basic structural and functional unit and they are formed from pre-existing cells. So Theodor Schwann and Matthias Schleiden in 1839 said that all living things are made up of cells. 50 years later, based upon this theory, scientist Rudolf Virchow said that all cells come from cells. Based upon these conclusions, they proposed a cell theory. The cell theory or cell doctrine states that all organisms are composed of similar units of organization called cells. The concept was formally articulated in 1839 by Schleiden and Schwann and has remained as the foundation of modern biology. There are some postulates of a cell theory. The first is, all living things are made up of cells. That means each and every organism is made up of cells. Then the second postulate is, the cell is the smallest living unit of structure and function of all organisms. So it is the smallest biological unit present in living organisms and all the cells are formed from pre-existing cells. This principle discarded the idea of spontaneous generation. Each and every organism is made up of cells and it is the basic structural and functional unit. Also, new cells are formed from the pre-existing cells. So these are the three postulates of the cell theory. Let us revise. The three tenets of the cell theory are as described below. Number 1. All living organisms are composed of one or more cells. However, this is considered a controversy because non-cellular life, such as viruses, are disputed as a life form. Number 2. The cell is the basic unit of structure and organization in organisms. Number 3. Cells arise from pre-existing cells.